We're expecting snowfall as we head throughout the next several days here in mid-Missouri. A lot of people might be asking themselves, just how do they get their size and shape? Well, when you're younger, you might have made something just like this, a snowflake chain. Although it looks pretty cool and it's artsy, it's actually not true and real what happens in the real world. Now, typically, no two snowflakes exactly look alike. There's actually 35 different categories of these types, and each one of those not going to be mirror images of each other. Now, they all start as a same six-sided shape, so going to be starting as an ice crystal and eventually changing their shape. Now, just how does this form and how does it work? Well, usually in the upper atmosphere in the clouds, it starts out as water vapor and it starts to freeze onto a dust particle. Now, this is actually going to be known as a six-sided shape that's going to be called a basal facet. Now, this will eventually start to form branches on each one of those six sides. Now, this happens because water vapor will slowly continue to freeze on each side, and it continues to branch off with more branches forming on those branches, just kind of a pattern effect. Now, eventually, as this starts to happen, this is going to be determined by the actual air temperature and the amount of humidity in the atmosphere, just how they form, and could be even lopsided on different sides depending on those temperatures and even the winds. Now, eventually they'll get so heavy that they'll start to fall out of the upper atmosphere and reach back down to the surface of the earth. So maybe the next several days you might get some up-close pictures, see exactly what shapes you're seeing. I'm ABC 17 Storm Track meteorologist Chance Gotch.